This is our project about wedges by Kenny Johnston, Bryan Ashley, and Wilson Latance.
Our wedge setup. The first one is solar electricity, transport efficiency, CCS sun fuel, biofuel, nuclear electricity, soil storage, transport efficient, and wind hydrogen.
Our first wedge is solar electricity. It is an electronical supplement. It costs a lot of money, and the challenges are PV materials.
Our second wedge is transport efficiency. The cost will drop. It is not a very expensive process. Transportation would release less emissions, but the challenges that we face are the car size and the power or the horsepower behind each car.
Our third wedge is CCS sun fuels. The cost is an average rate, and it is a sector of transport and heating. The challenges that it faces would be emissions.
Our fourth wedge is biofuels. It has an average cost rate. It affects transportation and heating, and the challenge is competing land use and biodiversity.
Our fifth wedge is nuclear electricity. Obviously, it affects the electricity use by Americans and or the world. The cost efficiency is about average, and the challenges are the waste produced and the local people that oppose nuclear power.
This is our sixth wedge, soil storage. The cost is very minimal. It affects biostorage, and the challenges would be reserved inland.
Our seventh wedge is forest storage. It has a low cost rate. It affects biostorage, and the challenge is competing land use and biodiversity.
Our eighth and final wedge is wind hydrogen. It affects transportation and heating. It is very expensive, and the challenges that it faces is hydrogen infrastructure. How others will react. It is favorable for companies, groups, and governments because they will be able to make a profit. However, taxpayers will be unhappy with the raise in taxes for these projects and be very unhappy with the results.